Hello, Jodi here from Joli Natural Skincare, and today I wanted to share a recipe that a customer has actually shared with me, and that is how to make your own hairspray. Like the whipped body butter, it's a recipe that I've also always wanted to try, so I'm going to give it a shot today and let you know how it goes. So we start with 2 to 3 lemons. Alright, family's out, being a little bit noisy in the background. So we just slice them, put them in the pot. Whole, pips, skin and everything. Okay, to that I'm going to add some sprigs of rosemary because it's really good for your hair, and also some nettle, which I'm not going to touch because it'll sting me. Also really good for the hair. I'll talk about the properties in the comments with regards to the rosemary and the nettle. We cover with water, enough to cover the lemon. Alright, that's just enough to cover that lemon. Then we bring to the boil. I'll put a lid on because that'll help it boil quicker. And once it's boiled, we reduce it to a simmer and we let it simmer for 15 minutes. So this is it boiling away. Have a look at that. I'll turn that down and let it simmer for another 15. Okay, it's been simmering for 15 minutes and this is what it looks like. I'll turn the gas off, and now I have to leave it to cool down. So it's not a quick process, but we will get there. Okay, so we've let this cool down. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vodka. This will help preserve because we're using just pure natural lemon juice here. So you want to be able to preserve your product a little bit. That being said, I would still store the spares in the fridge. So what I'm going to do is put it into this bottle, spritz bottle, and I'll put the spare in one of my mini jars, and I'll keep this in the fridge and then refill this one as I go. So let's give this a shot. Trying not to spill. What am I doing? Let's go this way. Oop. Alright, so that's 125 ml there. This will be the one that I use. This is one of my old product bottles. I keep these things so that I can reuse, refill, repurpose. And I'll put the rest in here. So as you can see, it's made a fair amount. As I said, I'll store this in the fridge and I'll give this one a trial run and I'll let you know how I go. Alrighty, here we go. I'm going to try out the hair spray, and it's perfect timing because I've got some sort of crazy thing going on here. Now I like my fringe to be over my face, but I find that I'll curl it over and then it's back, like just, so let's give it a shot. And if you hear any noise next door, don't worry about that, that's just my son, he's gaming. Okay, let's try. Oh, pro tip by the way, whenever you're hair drying yourself, don't aim it at your skin, your face. You always want to angle it up so that you're not drying out your face. Everything's about wrinkle prevention. Alright, so it's forward, and let's spray and see how it goes. Well, it smells interesting. Feels a bit wet. I actually get frustrated going to the hairdressers because none of them blow dry my fringe forward. They always blow dried off my face. I mean, the whole point of the fringe is to hide behind it. Alright, so here we have, I can feel that it's a firm hold, but it's not, you know, hard hair sprays and sometimes gels go. And I suppose the real testament will be how it travels over time, over the next couple of hours or so. So I'll give you an update. But anyway, that is making your own hairstyling spray. And yeah, I've had a lot of fun with this one. And as always, thank you so much for watching.